Hey, welcome everybody. It's Mark Schultz, the founder of DigitalAircraft, and I'm here today to tell you about a conference next week, which is the AircraftIT conference in Bangkok. It's on the 19th and 20th of October on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm really looking forward to being there and meeting all of you that are going to be at the conference and having discussions with you about digital and about different projects and some of your needs and requirements. And in support of this initiative, I decided to have a guest on today who works in the region and is familiar with the different clients and customers in the region. And so I'm going to go ahead and bring him right in, and we're going to have a conversation today about that region of the world. Hey, welcome. Glad to have you here with me today. Ananda Dasgupta is with me. He's responsible for aviation and transportation management at Ramco. Welcome.
Thanks, Mark. Good day to you.
Yeah, good to have you. Hey, where are you located today?
Mark, I'm based out of the sunny state of Queensland and Brisbane in Australia.
Oh, awesome. Very good. And listen, the reason I wanted to have him on today is because he has a lot of really good insight into what's happening in the region. And I have a lot of viewers all around the world, and I think people would want to know, what are some of the unique differences that we see between operators that operate in the Asia and Oceanic regions and those from the rest of the world? Can you just tell us what a couple of the unique business factors are that we need to consider?
Sure, Mark. Thanks for asking me that. So typically when we see Oceania region in particular, the most important challenge of Oceania region is the labor cost and the availability of the labor to perform the maintenance activities in this part of the world. So that would be a unique challenge where to control the cost, to gain efficiencies, to have improvements in terms of productivity, in terms of turnaround times, how to manage that. So that is one of the important challenges that we see in Oceania region. Whereas in Asia, it is a challenge of different nature where the labor cost is manageable. However, there are challenges with the language when they do the third-party maintenance work, the clarity and the importance of having well-defined, structured instructions and a discipline to work that out is a challenge there, which needs to be addressed, I believe.
You know, what is it that Ramco is doing more specifically in order to be able to help address the difference in costs that might be in the regions where people are performing maintenance?
Sure, Mark. So from a cost perspective, I think with the increasing challenge with the labor availability, the skill shortage that we have been observing and witnessing, the importance of creating a digital workforce gains momentum, and that could alleviate the current situation. So if you see from a Ramco perspective, we have been continuously innovating our applications and bringing in a lot of automations in terms of AIMLs, in terms of mobility solutions, which can at least automate mundane and repetitive tasks and save labor. Thus, an organization can do more with less workforce. So that is the motive on which we are working and providing solutions across the globe.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate you having conversations with me today. And for those of you watching out there, I wanted to remind you that the AircraftIT conference will be in Bangkok next week on Wednesday and Thursday, October 19th and 20th. And there's going to be quite a lot of different vendors there. And it's an opportunity for you to be able to go and to learn very quickly about solutions and what people are doing and hear stage presentations. And it's going to be very interesting to be able to go there and to reconnect with people and to learn about what they're doing in digital, and in a very short period of time, find out what vendors like Ramco are doing to be able to help these operators to create success.